Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spinach artichoke dip. Oh yeah, I had a request to make an artichoke dip, so here we go. That is what we're going to do. Really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. Down below in the description, you'll find the list of the ingredients and their amounts. So I'm starting with 8 ounces of cream cheese, and this is really soft cream cheese. I put it in the microwave on defrost just to get it so it's really soft. So if you just push down on it, see how soft that is? Perfect. And then I want to add in 1/3 cup of sour cream. I do have a homemade sour cream substitute that you can use as well. Click on that I button up in the corner and you can find that. And then 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, however you want to pronounce it. Mayo for short. About a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. About 1/4 teaspoon of salt. About 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup of parmesan cheese. Also, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. And I want to come in here, I want to mix this all together. Awesome. Now, we take our spinach. This is 1 cup of frozen spinach, and I defrosted, I thawed it out, and then kind of squeezed some of the extra juice or water out of there, just so it's nice and dryish. Put that in there. I want to mix that around. And then the artichoke hearts. And this was just canned artichoke, 14 ounces. You can get frozen artichoke as well, or you can cook your own artichokes and use freshly cooked artichoke hearts, if you like. So let's mix that in there. You can't have artichoke dip without the artichokes. Oh yeah, this is looking amazing. All right, now what we want to do is we will take about an 8x8 pan, and I just spray this with some kitchen spray, and then let's put this in the pan. Get it all out. So just spread it out like that, and then we're going to bake this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's going to get a little bit golden brown on the top, and it's going to be nice and melty. Pretty awesome. On to that step. And when it comes out of the oven, it'll look something like this. Lightly golden brown on the edges. You may not be able to see that in the video. And then you can let it cool for a few minutes and then serve it warm. And then I'm going to come in here with a chip and dig into this dip. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that cheese. Nice and gooey. Oh yeah. All right, the spinach artichoke dip is done. Turned out fantastic. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. Dun-dun-dun. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so good. Wow.